Dr. Michael Dacey is the President and Chief Operation Officer for Riverside Health. His nomination form included 8 letters of recommendation from various cities, counties, fire and health departments, and they all raved about his leadership during the COVID-19 crisis.
So I think, in any kind of an effort, particularly in an effort involving healthcare and a pandemic, it's really it's a privilege to lead, and that's the way I've always viewed it. And the people I worked with during this effort always viewed it as a privilege to lead, it's not something that. It's not something that you take lightly. It's something that's very, very important, and it's something that you really need to view as a real honor and a privilege to be able to lead during times of real crisis.
Dr. Dacey led the efforts to engage community partners in providing testing, vaccination, treatment, and healthcare accessibility to well over 500,000 citizens in the Riverside service area.
So we developed a structure that streamlined the administration of vaccines and increased the rate of vaccine administration. And we did that by bringing together a command structure where we had the local health departments, the local health systems, the municipal and city leaders all getting together, meeting on a weekly basis to talk about how we could help and augment each other's own vaccination efforts.
Dr. Dacey's team always seemed to be one step ahead of the pandemic, including purchasing ultra-cold storage and freezers. He thinks the effort they undertook could be a model for the future.
There'll be other challenges. Maybe it's a pandemic, maybe it's another type of healthcare crisis, but there'll be other challenges, and it's clear that if you work together, the healthcare infrastructure works with municipal leaders, works with the public health infrastructure, works with all parts of society. That type of response will be much, much, much more effective if we're all working together than if we're all working in individual silos. So I think hopefully this is a template for things to come in terms of the next challenges, and can be used for those next challenges and make our results equally as effective for those to come challenges as we've had with COVID.
Dr. Michael Dacey, 2022 Salute to Service Award winner for service to healthcare during COVID-19.